Good evening guys, it's Mrs. TG here, and tonight I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Clear View cover. So we're going to get this out of the box and try it on my new burgundy phone and see how it fits on the phone and what we think of it. Nice smooth inside there so it don't scratch up your phone. There we go. Apparently, from what I've read, you can answer calls on this one without having to open the flap. Obviously, you've got your time and date there and your battery percentage. You can do your music from there. I think that's literally just answer the phone and play your music, and obviously have your time and date on there. Open it up, and obviously it takes the phone out of the standby mode. Got a little slit there in the top as well for if you answer it with the case on, you can obviously still hear the person talking. Let's take a look at the bottom. A little bit deeper on the bottom there than what the other ones are. Just pressing my finger, just about do it. That's a little bit more tricky, that one, because it is thicker on the bottom. If you've got nails, fine. But if you've not got, literally, I would say you could just about get your hand in there. So that is a lot thicker on there, look. But you have got a lot more protection on the phone there. Fits nice and snug on the bottom. The buttons, nice and easy to press again. Obviously, sits flat with no wobble. No kickstand or anything, just your clean, slick look. Obviously fine on the front. Got your Samsung logo there on the back there. And there it is around the cameras. Bit of a leathery feel to that one. Nice easy flip on it, and I quite like it. Yeah, so what do you guys reckon? Again, any more questions? Come on forward and ask me and I'll answer them for you. I've never been one for flip covers, I must admit. Never been my favourite, but I do quite like that on that phone. Adds a little bit of bulk to it. I wouldn't say it's overly heavy, but the phone is quite a bit heavier anyway. So also, I've got coming up in my next video, another 2 covers. One Spigen and one silicone cover in a purpley colour. Check out my link in the description. You can then obviously go straight to my video to do with that. So if you like what you see, give me a big thumbs up. And a subscription would be nice, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.